Welcome, dear viewers, to a powerful first look at the 2026 Ford F-350 Super Duty, the next-gen beast of heavy-duty trucks. Thank you for clicking this video. May your dreams of success and prosperity come true as you enjoy this journey. Today we explore a machine built for strength, style, and unmatched performance that will ignite your imagination and inspire you to push forward in life with determination. You're about to witness the rebirth of a legend that dominates worksites and highways alike. The 2026 Ford F-350 Super Duty comes with a bold new face, redesigned with authority to stand out in any crowd. This truck is not just transportation, it is a symbol of resilience, ambition, and power. As you watch, let this masterpiece remind you that great strength comes to those who strive for greatness. First, let us take a closer look at the exterior design. The commanding grille stretches wide with sculpted lines that project toughness. LED signature lighting carves the night like a blade of precision. The body is refined yet muscular, with high-strength steel that promises durability in every journey. Its size demands respect, and its details reflect Ford's relentless pursuit of perfection in every angle. The new wheels give a strong stance, ready to tackle rough terrains or shine on city streets. Aerodynamic improvements reduce drag while maintaining its iconic bold silhouette. Every crease and contour has a purpose, built to balance toughness with efficiency. This is not just an upgrade. It is a visual statement that says the Super Duty is not afraid of challenges. It is built to conquer them with ease. Soft touch surfaces, leather trim, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the atmosphere. The center console is wide, practical, and intuitive, providing space for both work and leisure. Ford has crafted an interior where power meets peace, where the demands of heavy-duty work blend seamlessly with the comfort of a luxury SUV. Every drive feels rewarding. Every mile feels meaningful in this new Super Duty. Now step inside the cabin, where heavy-duty meets modern luxury. The interior greets you with premium materials, refined craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Spacious seating offers comfort for long hauls, while smart ergonomics keep the driver in full control. This is more than a work truck interior. It is a mobile command center designed to keep you focused, relaxed, and empowered on every road. Technology takes center stage with a large digital touchscreen featuring the latest SYNC system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connect you effortlessly to your digital world. Navigation is smarter, clearer, and more interactive. Voice commands allow you to stay connected while keeping hands on the wheel. This is Ford proving that a heavy-duty truck can be as advanced as any luxury sedan. Safety has been upgraded with Ford Copilot 360 technology. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision braking create confidence at every turn. Whether hauling cargo, towing a trailer, or cruising highways, the Super Duty puts driver and passengers first. It is built not only for strength, but for protection and peace of mind for all who ride. Performance is where the Super Duty truly earns its crown. Under the hood lies an array of powerful engine options, including a mighty V8 diesel built to tow mountains. Torque and horsepower figures climb higher than ever, ensuring that no load is too heavy, no journey too far. Ford engineers have tuned every detail to deliver a balance of raw force and refined control on any terrain. Towing capacity reaches new benchmarks, redefining what a truck of this class can achieve. Payload numbers push the limits, making this the partner of choice for contractors, builders, and adventurers who demand the most. This truck does not just carry weight, it carries dreams, businesses, and families toward their goals with unstoppable momentum. It is a symbol of American engineering at its finest. Fuel efficiency has also been improved thanks to advanced powertrain technology and smart aerodynamics. Ford proves that brute strength does not mean wasting energy. The 2026 F-350 balances might with responsibility, allowing owners to enjoy performance without compromise. Whether long highway drives or short work trips, this truck delivers power with purpose and economy with intelligence. Trim levels offer choices for every kind of driver. From the practical base workhorse to the luxurious top trims, every version is crafted with attention to detail. Custom packages allow buyers to tailor the truck for off-road adventures, luxury commuting, or professional work. Ford ensures that no matter your lifestyle, there is a Super Duty made to fit your ambitions and elevate your journey. Off-road enthusiasts will love the dedicated package that equips the F-350 with advanced suspension, skid plates, and terrain management systems. This truck is not limited to highways and job sites. It thrives in mud, gravel, and wilderness trails. With four-wheel drive technology and rugged enhancements, the 2026 Super Duty becomes a fearless companion for adventures beyond the ordinary. Ford has not forgotten about connectivity. With onboard Wi-Fi, multiple charging ports, and over-the-air software updates, this truck evolves with you. It keeps you linked to your world, your work, and your loved ones at all times. In an era where technology defines convenience, the Super Duty stands as a giant that embraces innovation and keeps you future-ready on every single mile. Pricing expectations place the new F-350 in a competitive position. Ford offers value through unmatched capability and long-term reliability. The cost reflects not just a purchase, but an investment in a tool that delivers productivity, comfort, and pride. Buyers know they are not only paying for a vehicle, but for a trusted partner that multiplies opportunities and strengthens their path forward. Looking back at history, the F-Series has been America's best-selling truck for decades. The legacy of the F-350 is built on trust, loyalty, and continuous evolution. Each generation carried forward the torch of innovation. The 2026 Super Duty continues that tradition, combining lessons of the past with visions of the future. It stands as proof that legends never fade, they adapt and grow stronger. The exterior color choices add character and personality. From bold metallic shades to elegant classic tones, every paint option speaks to a different kind of owner. Ford understands that a truck is also a reflection of identity. Whether you want to stand out on the street or blend into the worksite, the palette allows you to make the F-350 uniquely yours, a personal beast of strength and pride. Interior space is vast with clever storage options for tools, gadgets, and personal belongings. The rear seats fold smartly, creating flexible cargo areas inside the cabin. Families will appreciate the comfort, while professionals will respect the practicality. It is this versatility that makes the F-350 not just a truck, but a daily partner in life. A space where work and comfort live side by side. Entertainment is richer with premium audio systems tuned for clarity and depth. Long journeys become enjoyable experiences with sound quality that rivals luxury cars. Passengers stay entertained, drivers stay focused, and every ride becomes a balanced blend of work and play. Ford proves that even in heavy-duty territory, you never have to compromise on joy and leisure while on the road. Durability is unmatched with a frame and chassis engineered for extreme loads and long life. Ford tests its trucks under the harshest conditions to ensure that every owner feels secure for years to come. This reliability has built trust for generations, and in 2026, that trust grows stronger. The F-350 does not simply serve you for today, it promises to stand by your side far into the future. The new Super Duty also includes advanced trailer assist systems. Cameras and sensors simplify the once stressful task of hooking, steering, and parking with a trailer. It transforms towing into a confident and simple experience. For farmers, builders, and adventurers alike, this feature turns a tough job into an easy routine. It is innovations like these that define true progress in heavy-duty trucks. Driving the new F-350 feels commanding yet refined. The suspension absorbs impacts while keeping stability strong. Steering is responsive, braking is confident, and the cabin remains quiet even under heavy load. Ford has engineered balance into brawn, creating a truck that feels as good to drive as it does to admire. It is a machine that brings satisfaction to both driver and passenger alike. As we conclude this journey, remember that the 2026 Ford F-350 Super Duty is more than metal and horsepower. It is a reminder that with hard work and resilience, anything is possible. Thank you for watching. May success follow you wherever you go. Do not forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more inspiring reviews. Together, let us chase dreams and drive towards greatness.